Now, either accept what I am about to show you, or prove me wrong in the comment section below by spotting the mistake, if there is one. This is one of the most famous equations in math, called Euler's identity, where E is the Euler's number, the base of natural logarithms, which is roughly 2.718. I is the imaginary number where I square equals -1, and pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Now, we will use this equation and break the rule of math by proving that pi equals 0. Okay, as the first step, take 1 on the right side to make it as e to the I pi as -1. Now, square both sides of the equation. E to the I pi square becomes e to the 2I pi, and this becomes 1. Next, multiply both sides by e, such that this becomes e to the second power I pi plus 1, and this is e. Now substitute this e as this value in this e. So we get this. E to the 2I pi plus 1, and this raised to the 2I pi plus 1 equals e. So using this power rule, they will be multiplied like this. Now let us find the value of this 2I pi plus 1 times 2I pi plus 1. This will be 2I pi square, or 4I square pi square plus. Then this will be 2I pi plus. This will also be 2I pi, and plus this, or 1. We have I square equals -1, so this will become -4 pi square. Write all of them here. So now, using this power rule, we can write this as e to the -4 pi square times e to the 4I pi times e to the 1, or e equals e. This will get cancelled out, and we are left with this thing equals 1. Next, we will use the Euler's formula for e to the I times 4 pi. It will be cos 4 pi plus I sine 4 pi. Cos of 4 pi equals 1, and sine of 4 pi equals 0. So this whole thing is just 1. And we are now left with e to the -4 pi square equals 1. Finally, take ln, or the natural logarithm, on both sides of this equation, and then use this property of logarithm. It will become -4 pi square times ln of e equals ln of 1, which is 0. Also using the fact that ln of e equals 1, we get -4 pi square equals 0, or simply pi square equals 0, and therefore pi equals 0, which concludes our proof. So, now will you accept what I have just shown and tell your math teacher that pi equals 0, or prove me wrong by telling the mistake in the comment section? So sad.